Quick guide: connect two Bluetooth headphones to a Samsung phone in 1 minute. Swipe down, open Settings, then tap Connections to access wireless options. Tap Bluetooth and make sure the toggle is switched on and discoverable. Open the three-dot menu, choose Advanced, then select Dual Audio if present. Toggle Dual Audio on. This allows audio to stream to two Bluetooth devices. If Dual Audio isn't available, open SmartThings or install a compatible audio splitter app. Put the first headphone into pairing mode, consult the Models button or case instructions. On your phone, tap Scan, select the first headphone when it appears, then pair. Confirm connection and repeat. Put the second headphone into pairing mode now. Tap the second headphone from the Bluetooth list so both devices show connected. Play a test track and adjust each headphone's volume independently as needed. Done, both headphones connected. Enjoy shared audio and repeat these steps anytime.